Hey there, and welcome back to this next chapter in the series of how to integrate AI into your business. I am Alice, and I am excited to show you what AI can do to help automate your business, cutting costs and saving money. But first, hit that subscribe button below so that I can reach out to you each time I have a new video. If you are brand new to AI, then I suggest you watch our first video, Beginner's Guide to ChatGPT, where we explore how to create your first prompts. In this video, we're going to look at a very simple way to save time replying to your customers without having to manually write a new email. For this example, we want our visitors to register to get a free download on how to integrate AI to your business. To collect our customers' details, we are going to use Google Forms, Sheets, and then ChatGPT to generate a personalized email. As you know in the last video, I called ChatGPT Chat, so that's what I will do today. So let's first make the lead gen form. Go to Google Forms and create a new blank form. Give it a title like Request Free Download and add these questions. What's your name? What's your email address? Tell us a bit more about your AI experience. Keep it short to avoid drop-off. Select the Publish button to activate the form. Click on the Responses tab in your form and hit the green Link to Sheets icon. Give the sheet a name and Google will automatically create a spreadsheet that tracks every submission. This is where we'll grab the info to send to Chat later. Nice, right? You now have your first step ready. Let's test it out using John Doe as our first customer. That all looks fine. Now, as we are trying to keep this really simple, we won't go into linking ChatGPT to our Google Sheet in this video. We will simply use it to gather data and paste it into Chat. First, let's talk prompts. If you don't already know, a prompt is the instruction you give Chat or other AI programs. In Chat, a prompt template is a reusable version with variables you can fill in. Example, act as a friendly business assistant. This customer has downloaded our free AI for Business User Guide. Based on the info below, write a short, friendly, personalized email to this customer. Name, John Doe. Email address, john.doe@gmail.com. Experience, very little experience with AI. My name is Alice and my company name is AI Business Hub, and my email address is alice@aibusinesshub.com. Chat writes a custom reply that sounds human and helpful. Let's try it out. That looks great. You could then tweak it if you needed to. Now, so you don't have to enter the prompt each time, we will create a custom GPT. Chat lets you build custom GPTs, which are basically your own trained chatbots that follow specific rules. We'll create one that knows your prompt template and understands how to reply to new leads. Head over to chat.openai.com/GPTs and click Create a GPT. Click Configure. Then enter a name such as Lead Response Assistant. Give it a description such as Email Reply Generator and finally enter the instructions. This is where you paste your prompt template into the instructions field. You now have a chatbot ready to generate replies in seconds. Let's try it out by entering the customer name, email address, and experience. Although we have now got Chat to generate emails automatically, in the next video we will explore how to automate it completely using an automation tool such as Zapier or Make. That's this chapter of this mini course complete. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. We will be back shortly with another video where we will be exploring more advanced practical applications. Thanks for watching and happy automating!